how much should you actually spend on a digital laser tape measure? Because you'll find people raving about the budget options, while others swear by the pricier ones. The truth is, it can be a bit tricky to figure out what's really worth your money.
Product number 1, Bosch GLM 100-23 Blaze. First up is the Bosch GLM 100-23 Blaze Laser Distance Measure. This compact device caught my eye with its easy-to-use 2-button operation and user-friendly layout. Priced competitively, it's a solid choice for those looking to get precise measurements without the fuss. If you want accuracy up to 100 feet, this is worth a serious look. So why is this product a great option for you? The GLM 100-23 measures distances up to 100 feet with an accuracy of within 1/16 inch. This means you can tackle those home improvement projects with confidence, knowing your measurements won't be off. Plus, the backlit display makes it easy to read, even in dim lighting. With over 8,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that many are trusting Bosch for their measuring needs. Now, some people did mention that the buttons can feel a bit small if you have larger fingers. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, it's still very manageable. And for most users, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need straightforward, accurate measurements for home projects without getting into complicated tech. Skip this one if you need longer range measurements, as its limit is 100 feet. Overall, it's a great value for the price. Now, if the Bosch's limited range concerns you, the next option might be more your style.
Product number 2, Rockseed 50-meter laser measure. Next, we have the Rockseed digital laser distance meter, capable of measuring up to 165 feet. Priced around $20, it's an affordable option that offers some solid features for those on a budget. If you want versatility in measurement units, this one is worth checking out. What makes the Rockseed stand out? First off, it features unique dual bubble levels for greater accuracy. With precision up to plus or minus 1/16 inch, you can confidently measure even in larger spaces like rooms or warehouses. It also has a backlit LCD screen, which is super handy when you're measuring in darker areas. Plus, it remembers up to 20 sets of data, making it easy to keep track of multiple measurements. That said, some users pointed out that the design could feel a bit clunky in larger hands. But honestly, it's lightweight and portable, so it's still easy to carry around. For most people, that's not likely to be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, reliable laser measure for home or work. Skip this if you're looking for something super sleek or compact. For the price, the value is impressive. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want both tape and laser measures.
Product number 3, Lexivon 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. An interesting hybrid of a laser distance meter and a traditional tape measure. At around $76, it's on the higher end, but if you want functionality, this is definitely worth a look. So why should you consider the Lexivon? It combines a 130-foot laser measure with a 16-foot auto-lock tape measure. This means you can effortlessly switch between measuring long distances and detailed smaller areas. The LCD screen shows fractional measurements, making it easy to read and understand. Plus, it has a rubberized case, so it's durable enough for job sites. Now, some people mentioned that it could be a bit bulky to carry around. Here's the thing though. If you're used to having both tools at your disposal, the convenience outweighs the bulk for most users. This is perfect for you if you appreciate having multiple measuring options in one tool, but skip this if you prefer a more compact device. For the functionality it offers, it's certainly a good investment. Now, if you're looking for an even longer range measurement, you might want to check out our next pick. Product number 4, Rockseed 328-foot Laser Measure. The fourth product is another from Rockseed, this time with a whopping 328-foot measurement capability. Priced at $26.45, it's an incredible option if you need to cover large distances without breaking the bank. If you want extensive range and accuracy in one device, keep listening. Why is this product a winner? It boasts the same high accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch and the dual bubble levels as the previous Rockseed model. This is perfect for those big projects where every inch counts. The backlit LCD is also here, making it easy to read even in low light. Plus, it has multiple measurement modes, including area and volume, which is great for contractors and DIYers alike. However, one downside is that some users found the button layout a bit confusing at first. But honestly, once you get used to it, this measure becomes a breeze to operate. This is perfect for you if you're tackling large renovations or construction projects. Skip this if you only need something for small spaces, as its size might be overkill. For the price, it's a solid deal with great value. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, let's check out our final product.
Product number 5, digital tape measure 16 feet. A unique option for those who appreciate simplicity and ease of use. Priced at $50.87, it's a good choice if you want a straightforward measuring tool, without the bells and whistles. What sets this one apart? It features 6 different units of measurement, making it versatile for any project. The Easy Read digital display shows fractions, ensuring you get precise measurements every time. It's also rechargeable, which is great for reducing battery waste. Now, some users reported that the rechargeable feature could be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, as long as you maintain it properly, it works just fine and is super convenient compared to traditional batteries. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss measuring tool that's easy to read and use. Skip this if you prefer a laser measure for longer distances. For what it offers, the value is solid. That brings us to the end of our list. So, to recap, the Bosch GLM 100-23 is perfect for simple, accurate measurements. Rockseed's models offer great value for budget-conscious buyers. The Lexavon combines laser and tape for versatility. The Rockseed 328 FT is amazing for large projects. And finally, the digital tape measure is all about straightforward ease of use. No matter your needs, there's definitely a solid option on this list for you.